Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy free tumblers along with other crafts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I added this decal to this glittered Libbey glass can. I'm also excited because in this video, I'm going to be talking about my recent partnership with Creative Fabrica, which is where I got this decal from. Go ahead and continue watching and I'll dive into all the details about that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching. I am happy to announce that I have partnered up with Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is a marketplace for digital files like fonts and graphics created for crafters like me and you. In collaboration with Creative Fabrica, when you use the link down below in the video description, you'll be able to sign up and download your first 10 items completely free. After the 10th download or after 1 month, whichever comes first, the subscription will renew at just $9 a month, which is almost a 70% discount from the normal $29 a month subscription price. With the $9 per month subscription, you'll have access to over 6 million fonts, graphics, and digital resources. Be sure to head over to the Creative Fabrica link that's down below in the video description to take advantage of this amazing offer. So here is the SVG cut file that I used for this cup. It is from Creative Fabrica. I will link it down below in the video description. So here is the vinyl that I'm using for my decal. I'm using Teckwrap matte vinyl in the color coconut white, along with Teckwrap textured metallic vinyl in the color champagne gold. I do have a discount code with Teckwrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll put the Teckwrap website down below in the video description, and I'll also put my discount code there. On the Teckwrap website, you'll find all type of vinyl from basic colors to specialty vinyl, so definitely head over there and check them out. So here's the cup that I'm going to be adding my decal to. This is a glittered Libbey glass can. I did glitter this cup in a previous video. I will put that video down below in the video description in case you want to check out how I made this cup. This cup was made using an epoxy-free top coat called Grande from the Crystalac company. You'll see me using this product a little bit up ahead when I continue to gloss up my cup after adding my decal. I always purchase my Libbey glass cans from Amazon along with the bamboo lid and glass straws. I'll put the link for those down below in the video description. So here I have already cut out my decal using my Cricut Explore Air 2. You can cut this type of decal and this type of vinyl on any type of cutting machine. I cut the matte vinyl using the regular vinyl cut setting, and I cut the textured metallic vinyl with the textured metallic vinyl cut setting on my Cricut Explore Air 2. I am now going to go in with my Teckwrap weeding pen and weed out both layers of my decal. Now that I have weeded out both layers of my decal, I'm going to go in with some transfer tape. I'm going to first add my transfer tape onto the wording part of my decal. Using my scraper, I'm going to press down on my transfer tape to make sure my vinyl adheres on well to the transfer tape. I am then going to remove my vinyl backing. And here I have this layer of my decal ready to be placed on my cup. I am now going to take my decal and I'm going to try to center this as best as I could on my cup. Once I find that center spot, I'm going to adhere the center part, and then using my scraper, I'm going to press down, going outward to each side. I'm then going to remove my transfer tape. Using the same transfer tape, I'm going to add the other layer of my decal. I'm going to try to position this as best as I could on my cup. Using my scraper to make sure that my vinyl adheres on well to my cup, and then removing the transfer tape. And here I have my cup with my decal already added on. Now to seal up my decal, I'm going to be using Grande Finale from the Crystalac company. Grande Finale is an epoxy-free, non-toxic top coat. As mentioned earlier, this cup was made using Grande Finale in a previous video, which you can find on my channel. I'll link it down below in the video description. In the mentioned video, I go more into detail on how to use Grande Finale. To finish off this cup, I'm going to add 3 to 4 more coats of Grande Finale, waiting 2 hours in between each coat. And here is how my cup turned out. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is melissacrafter00. I do post on there daily, so be sure to head over there and give me a follow. Thank you so much for watching.